Alright, what's going on, guys? So this is going to be kind of like a just vlog. I'm actually back in Rexburg, so today I'm actually job hunting. And then later on today we're going to get into some truck stuff. I think I'm going to go to the pick and pull. I'm also going to go to Harbor Freight, pick up some stuff there. So wish me luck. I need to get a job, and then we'll get into the truck stuff. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, what's up, guys? Just got done going into some places, filling out some applications, so hopefully that pans out. Also spent some time filling out applications online, so hopefully I'll get a call back. If I don't get a call back in the next few days, I'll call them back. Anyway, we're here at the gas station. I don't know if you guys can see that. I need to fill up, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna head to the junkyard in Idaho Falls, and then maybe after that we'll go to Harbor Freight and see what they got. I don't know if it does this to you guys, but like my truck thinks it's full and then it stops. It's really annoying. It's cold out here, but yeah, this is a lot different than the other junkyard video I did, but you guys seem to like it, so I figured I would go ahead and try the local one here. But it is freaking cold. Let's see what we can find. Alright guys, well, I found this first Ranger. It's got to be an 05 and up because it's got the updated cluster in there. I would get these seats, but there is a tear here. But there's a shotgun shell, so that's cool. Not much else in here, unfortunately. I already have a set of those, so I don't really need that. Yeah, not much else. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a newish one in here. Still got the keys in it and everything. Alright, I'm gonna keep looking. Alright guys, so I found another Ranger. I am gonna grab this. This is the last piece I need to redo, like the whole engine bay and just like the factory black. So I'm gonna grab this. I'll show you the inside. I'm almost tempted to grab these seats. I know they're like dirty, but I think with enough cleaning I could get the stuff out. I might just grab the covers off of them because they're pretty easy to take off, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead, take the airbox cover off, and then yeah, I'll show you after that. Alright you guys, well I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna pick this up. There wasn't really much else that I needed, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick walkthrough because I think you guys will enjoy that. So I showed you guys this Ranger. There's not much on it that I would take. Honestly, I was thinking about taking the bumper, but too much work and it's cold and snowy and I'm not about it. Another thing I was thinking of taking is this lower valence. Those are pretty hard to find now and they're like my favorite from these old Rangers, and I've always wanted to see if this lower piece would fit on like a newer Ranger. I'm pretty sure you could make it work, but I'm not sure. Oh, also you guys, I am wearing my heated gloves. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. They're really great. If you're in like somewhere where it's freaking cold, they're really nice. Oh, I was gonna show you guys this. If these were in better condition, I'd probably get these, but these are like the darkest gray Explorer seats that the Explorers had, but you can see there's like a tear there and there's like some wear, so obviously you're never going to get them to be perfect, but it's just not worth it for me. Let's see, I think that's about it for like the good stuff. I think there's like maybe one more Ranger over here. Oh, there's that one, too old. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's about it as far as Rangers go. There's some Explorers, but I already have most of the parts I need from those, which like the OHC, which shows temperature and direction, and the center console. Here's another Ranger. This is the one I got this off of. I was gonna take the rear window, but it's too cold and it's not, in my opinion, it's not worth grabbing. These seats could probably work. I mean, and by that I mean like you could probably clean them up and they'd look pretty good, but this thing's kind of trash, so I wasn't about to do it. So I'm happy I got this piece. Like this is the last piece I need to redo the engine bay back to like factory with the Explorer engine cover, which looks a lot nicer, so I'll be able to do that sometime soon. But yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. We're gonna head to Harbor Freight, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're actually not gonna be going to Harbor Freight. I forgot my gift cards, and that was kind of the whole plan, was to see what I could get with my gift cards. I'm thinking of getting a floor jack, or I want to get an electric impact. I think a floor jack is probably what I'm gonna get. I mean, I can get by without having an impact right now, at least. So I'll probably end up getting a floor jack. But the thing is like they're on sale right now, so that's why I wanted to go today. I could go tomorrow, but it's my birthday, so I kind of just like, I don't know, I might go tomorrow just because it's my birthday, but it's like a 20-minute drive from Rexburg to Idaho Falls, so I don't know if I want to make the drive again like the next day. But I guess I'll keep this vlog going. I think I'm gonna go and get the truck washed and probably like vacuum it out and stuff, and I gotta clean it out. Like there's some trash in here that I gotta throw away, and I'm gonna go drop that part off at the storage unit. And actually, like, I don't know if you guys care, but most of you know that I have like a storage unit. It's like a pretty big, like, it's like a garage basically. It's a pretty cool truck, but it's like $70 a month, and it's not, in my opinion, it's not really worth it, because I have like covered parking where they don't really care if you work on your car or your truck. So I think what I might do is downgrade to like a smaller storage unit just for like where I can store the stuff. And then if I ever need like a tool or anything, I'll just go grab it from there and use it at my underground parking, because like, one, it's warmer. I mean, not much warmer, but it is warmer in underground parking because it's somewhat more insulated than my storage unit. So I'm probably going to do that. I might do that today actually while I'm there, just like talk to them and see like if there's any storage units available, like smaller ones, because I know they just built some new units, so I'll probably check that out. But yeah, I'll take you guys along. I'm probably going to get the truck washed and vacuum it out and then do some odds and ends. But yep, I'll see you whenever we get to the car wash or wherever we're going. Whew, almost slipped. Good. All right. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This all can fit in a very small storage unit. If y'all know what's in here, I'm gonna put a little picture up in here. This is the roll pan that I got. Anyway, there's actually a lot of clothes in here I need to go through too. But all I'm here to do is to throw this piece in here. Let me see if I can find, I'm gonna just set this right there. But I did want to show you guys the part I was talking about earlier. Oh, here it is. So when I talk about the Explorer engine cover, this is it. It's just longer. The normal Ranger one, the 4.0, it's just kind of like a square, but this one goes all the way back and covers like the intake manifold. So I think that looks a lot nicer, and that's why I got this. And I got the fuse panel. Where is it? It's somewhere. I got it somewhere, and it's all going to be black and factory looking, but it'll look better with this full length engine cover. Anyway, that's about it. I'm going to go talk to the management and try and figure out if I can move into a different storage unit, and I might even try and take some of these clothes to the DI, which is like basically like a Goodwill for around here. But yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a bit.